So we're going to air down before we hit this trail, and we're going to do that because as we air our tires down, we're going to get a lot more contact with the ground. One of my favorite tools to do this is the Quick Deflator. This is an ARB Quick Deflator. It removes the valve stem, and then you just slide a little collar to let the air out, and then you close it. It's got a gauge built on. You check the pressure. So this is pretty good. We're going to air down to about 15 PSI on this one. So you take off your valve stem and you just screw the Quick Deflator on. This knob you push in gently and turn it until you feel it drop. Once you feel it drop, you turn counterclockwise. Till it pushes out like that, and then you slide this collar. Now you can't read the gauge while you're doing it. You have to slide the collar back down and shut it off while you're when you're checking for pressure. So that's important to remember. You push the center pin back in, you rotate clockwise until it's finger pressure. You don't want to crank on this. It's just finger pressure until your fingers start to slip on the knurls. And you pull it back out and unscrew the tool. Now you want to always remember to put your valve stem cap back on. Just don't forget, we're going to be going through the mud and dirt and grit. We don't want any of that to get in on the valve stem core because that could leak.